Hey everybody, so I'm putting sound deadener in the van. Basically coverage is they say about 1/3 for each section. I'm using Dynamat. I actually ordered 2 boxes of this, so hopefully that will cover the van. I think it should do pretty good coverage for everything. I've applied just these 4 panels so far, but it is definitely a lot quieter. I don't know if this will show up on the video or not. So you could definitely hear a difference. I don't know if you can hear it on the video, but you can definitely hear a difference. So I'm just cutting each piece. I ordered Dynamat mainly because you can just cut it with the scissors, and it goes up pretty easy. Each time I cut it, I then put it up and I roll it out with a little roller to get good adhesion on there. And it seems to be going up pretty easy. So hopefully I'll be able to finish this today, although there's a lot of spots to finish. But we'll see what happens. Hopefully it'll be a lot quieter in the van. That's part of the sound deadener. The other thing is I'm using Havelock wool for insulation, which also has sound deadening capability. So once that's all done, hopefully the van will be a lot quieter when we're sitting in camp or even when we're driving down the road. Because right now, basically driving down the road, it's basically yelling at each other because it's basically just an empty carcass at this moment. So hopefully we'll see what this does. And I did actually run some tests in sound, and I will have a comparison before and after just the sound deadener goes in. So anyways, there you go. Dynamat. Slow but sure. So here's the progress for today so far. Got the wheel well and the walls done on both sides. Part of the door done. Wheel well and the walls. And also got all the strips on the ceiling of the Dynamat. So still need to do the floor with the Dynamat, but I'm going to first build the framework for the actual flooring, and then I'll put the Dynamat in. I still need to do a little bit more on that door on the bottom and the 2 back doors. And then I also need to do in the front, I'll take the panels off and put some Dynamat on the wall inside the door and behind the speaker to help stop some of the rattle from that. So far so good. It's just super hot now, so I'm gonna stop for the day. And there's the progress.